If I never knew you, if I never felt this love, I would have no inkling of how precious life can be. And if I never had it, I would never have a clue how at last I would find in you the missing part of me in this world so full of tears, full of rain and light. I can see the truth so clear in your eyes, so dry and high, and I'm so grateful to you. I would have lived my whole life through, lost forever, if I never knew you. If I never knew you, I would be sad, but how I dream, never knowing